Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our business building roadshows, and today we are talking about the importance of leadership and good governance in business transformation and the automation of knowledge worker services. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. Today we are discussing the differences between objectives, strategies, and plans, and getting a clear understanding of these because they underpin the success of any transformation and enable the alignment of transformation activity. First of all, let's start with an objective. It is what we want to achieve. If we have too many objectives, we have too many conflicts, we dilute the effort, we're overstretched on resources. If people are not able to clearly state what they're meant to achieve, how do they achieve it? Strategy is how you want to achieve it. Strategy eliminates options and sets priorities. Give you an example. We want to be carbon neutral by 2030. Sounds like a sensible objective. It's defined, it's measurable, it has a time frame, people can repeat it in their own words. But what is the strategy to get there? How are we going to get there? We could just buy carbon credits to offset. We would meet the objective of being carbon neutral by 2030. The fact that we're not able to afford it, we're not able to sustain it, makes the objective unachievable. So we need very clear strategy as to how we're going to achieve our objective. The plan is then all the activities that need to be undertaken to achieve the strategy. The purpose of the plan is to share the information so that people are aligned, we're all singing off the same hymn sheet, and we know what each other. Objectives, strategies, and plans don't need to be large, they don't need to be complicated, but they do have to include risk management. If there is no management of strategic risk, then a business is not going to be able to transform. If we're not managing the risks in the objectives, i.e. being carbon neutral by 2030, sounds good, but we've shown it could actually be a bad objective. So we have to manage the risk. We have to manage the risk in the strategy, and we have to manage the risk in the planning and all the activities that are undertaken. I'll leave it for you to discuss within your groups the example objective strategies that have been there and to explore more the strategic risk. Please refer to the appendices in the book as well for those doing the group activities. This diagram just further illustrates it. Now, one last point. The more adaptive and responsive we want to be, the greater the incumbent infrastructure needs to be, and the greater the planning needs to be so that people are aligned. Give you the classic, if we're hiring more people to meet a specific business objective, then we impact desks, chairs, buildings, computers, infrastructure, and everything else. We just can't pull people in. Managing that interdependency is where the issues of objectives, strategies, plans align. We'll talk more about this when we discuss adaptiveness, responsiveness, and agile business practice. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.